guys, welcome to our channel, Cooking with
Vanilla
and Chocolate.
Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna make cauliflower, and if you haven't seen our previous videos, please subscribe and like.
How do you make cauliflower in California? So you have to buy cauliflower, come to California and make it, right? Or you can come to California, buy cauliflower and make it. It's gonna be the same, right? Actually, no. Whenever you come to California, if you drive, there is like almost like a border, and they ask you, hey, do you have any vegetables or fruits, or did you visit any farm lately? So you probably couldn't come with cauliflower to California. By the way, it's California, right?
California, yes.
California.
Yes.
Not California,
Yeah.
California.
Exactly.
So the best way is to come here and, oh, you know what? No, I'm talking too much, so let's get to work. You can do cauliflower anywhere you want, even if you live in, I don't know, on the moon. You can take cauliflower to the moon and make it there. So let's do it.
All right.
I'm gonna cut it. Oh, by the way, what we're gonna need? We need, of course, cauliflower, bread crumbs, butter, about like I don't know, it's like 2 inches by 1 inch size, and just salt and pepper. I'm gonna cut this cauliflower in half.
Oops, got flour. You know what? It's fine. It's not even.
We usually try to make it even. It didn't work this time, but you know what? This show, it's all about fun cooking, you know? We are not like trying to be super professional, so this is not that channel, you know? We just want to make cooking fun and show you that anybody can cook. And you don't have to stress out yourself about cooking. Some people, they take these leaves off, they cut it off. We like to eat it. It takes a little bit longer to cook that middle part, of course. So instead of cooking 6 minutes, we're gonna cook it for about 10 minutes. We want the most heat on that part, right? So that's how I do it. I'm just gonna drop it in. And what I always do, I have ready water in my kettle so I can fill it up to the end and I don't have to wait until it's gonna boil again. So I'm gonna make sure this water is also hot. Okay, I'm gonna fill it up to the top. And now I'm gonna cover it. More pressure, it's gonna get soft faster.
And actually, cauliflower is high in fiber and also B12, and it's good for memory and weight loss. So
that's what I need. I keep forgetting things all the time. By the way, did you notice last time when we had cauliflower I had more energy?
Yes, that's true.
You did? Okay.
Okay.
Because this is gonna take about 10 minutes from the time of the boiling. So I'm gonna put it on this stove and I'm gonna show you how to do butter and breadcrumbs. For this one, you just need a small pan and butter, of course. When you do it on the stove, you should put the setting on low.
butter.
Okay, that's too high already, so we're gonna put it on 3. Butter is almost melted. So we're gonna add bread crumbs. This you just have to feel, you know, that it's not too much of it, because then, you know, it's gonna be too thick. You cook it until it's like golden color. Yeah, I think that's enough of breadcrumbs. So you see, I used like a touch of it.
Get that oil. waffly texture.
By the way, we both love vegetables. We eat a lot of cauliflower lately.
Yeah, especially the way that he makes it. I really like it.
I'm trying to show you this golden color. It's like under this foam. Anyway,
You'll see it.
you will see it on the cauliflower.
See it a little bit, yeah.
Ten minutes passed. Cauliflower in California is ready. So that's how it looks in the pot. I just removed water. Can you see that steam? I see. Okay. Anyway, let's put it on the plate. And on the plate, I sprinkled panko. Whoever watched our show where we made fried eggs, I didn't have panko at the time. I used breadcrumbs. So that's exactly how the panko looks like if you never used panko. Breadcrumbs, of course, is much smaller, but this panko is lighter, and I like it for different purposes. So I like to put cauliflower on it.
Golden spoon.
Golden spoon. Chef with golden spoon. I didn't cut it properly, so my wife's gonna get the smaller piece. The last step is, of course, to pour butter on it. Smells nice. And I think it's beautiful. Can you hear that?
Yeah.
I know it's exciting for us. But who is not? When you are in the restaurant and you sit and you wait for the food, and then the food comes and everybody's like, yeah! Especially when you have to wait a long time.
Look at that. Great. I'm telling y'all, my husband is such a great cook. He is just amazing.
Okay. Oh, one more thing. Before we try it, salt and pepper. I don't want to sneeze. Not on camera. Himalayan salt. We use Himalayan salt. Himalayan. Okay, so let's try it.
Alright, here we go.
It's very hot, so you have to be careful. Okay, let's take small pieces and here you go.
Thank you. Alright.
By the way, we always do it at the end. So I can't wait to keep it.
It melts in your mouth. It's so soft and the butter tastes amazing with it.
So good. I think I can share it with you.
I have my own, whatever. Yeah.
No, it's really good. Okay, so we have to go because we are hungry. Sorry about the noise. There's some guy doing construction. I hope you liked our show, right? And
yes.
Of course, you can. If you didn't see other videos, please subscribe and
and like
and yeah, that's it. See you guys.
Bye.
Bye bye.